Good morning, sir. You're Mark Marso. And Mr. Marso, were you able to get a lawyer hired?
No, you're gonna call me, bring some papers in to show my.
I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
You told me to bring some papers in to show my social security.
Yeah. You can give them to the clerk.
I'll have it.
Just give it to the clerk. I'll take a look at it.
I'll get you the social.
All right, I'm going to find based on this that you do qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. If you will step in front of the clerk, she'll let you know who that's going to be and what your instructions are. Step right in front of this clerk. I'm going to give you a court-appointed lawyer, and she's going to tell you who that is and give you their information. Yes, sir. Thank you for bringing that.
Charles Rojas is going to remain your attorney, okay? That's his telephone number. You have to call him and make an appointment to go see him before you come back. But sign right here and put your phone number.
Aaron Roberts.
Put your phone number.
Good morning, sir. Are you Aaron Roberts?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Roberts, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 1525. You're charged with the third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from September 25th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
Just a minute.
Are you working? I need you to speak up. And y'all, I've got a hang on a second. I've got a cold and I cannot hear. So I'm having a hard time. If y'all need to talk, I'm gonna ask if y'all can step in the back or step outside. I'm just having a really hard time hearing. And you need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am. I do small engine mechanic. Pretty much the bike that I got in truck loan that he said I was running from, I had to sell it to pay the loan off for my brother to even get me out of jail and the stuff that I got going on now. They were supposed to issue me a point for the lawyer, but.
So here's the thing, you have a court-appointed lawyer.
Yes, ma'am.
But when you make bond, I expect you to at least try to hire your own attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna reset your case. If what you're doing isn't making money, doing small jobs, you need to go try to,
Well, not
just
enough to-
listen, okay? I want you to try to either get a lawyer hired, or I want you to try to find a job so that you could attempt to hire one, okay? Before the next court date. So if you get a lawyer before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone, then again, two things. I want you to try to get a job and I want you to bring me proof that you have applied at jobs. And I also want you to start talking to lawyers so you know how much they cost and what you're trying to save up. Bring me those names of who you've talked to, how much they charge, so I know you're trying to do what I've asked you to do, then we'll discuss your options, okay? If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you'd go back to jail. You understand? All right, step in front of the, sir. Sir, come back.
Yes, ma'am.
I need a yes or a no.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Step in front of the clerk.
Sign right here, please.
Michael Sarant.
There you go.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Are you Michael Sarant?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Sarant, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 1691. You're charged with the third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from October 16th of 2025. Since you've made bond, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
I talked to one place, but I've really been trying to get a hold of the Legal Star and the Pro Bono Association, but haven't really got much friction from it.
So, I can tell you they typically do not handle criminal cases. You were given a court-appointed lawyer while you were in custody. You still have that lawyer, but once you've made bond, I expect you to at least try to hire someone. So I'm going to reset your case about 30 days, give you some time to see if you can get someone hired.
Yes, ma'am.
If you do get someone hired, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer. They'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 attorneys. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Delvin Jones.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. You're Delvin Jones?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Jones, were you able to get someone hired?
No, ma'am.
Who'd you talk to?
Talked about 20 people, but I wrote down the Jervis Kelly Law Firm, Hecker, Trey Attorney, and Willard Law Firm, with plenty more.
Okay, so where are you on being able to get someone hired?
I'm working for Craigslist, like different gigs and trying to save up some money, so I'm just been trying to really stop.
You're working for Craigslist doing what?
Like different gigs, like, painting and stuff like that.
Okay, have you tried to go get a job somewhere else, like a full-time job?
Indeed, a lot of stuff, they kind of look on your background and stuff like that. Just like, Domino's delivery driver, they was gonna hire me, but they looked at my work and stuff like that.
Right. What's the status of that theft case over in Leono?
It's really about done. They wanna, they say something about deferred probation, to what it's gonna be pretty much.
When's your next court date over there?
The 29th, I believe. They were saying something about, it's not gonna be anything on my record dealing with the case from what my attorney was over there was.
Okay, so you have an attorney over there?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Jones, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely. You're going to swear under oath that everything in it is true. If you'll step in front of the clerk down there, she'll give you that paperwork and give you your instructions.
Yes, ma'am.
Darius Sparks. Good morning, you're Darius Sparks. And Mr. Sparks, did you get someone hired?
No, it didn't go how I planned it to go.
Say it again.
It didn't go how I planned it. When the last court date, we was discussing about the 750 when I called back.
So here's the thing, it's been 30 days and I've probably seen hundreds of people, so remind me of what you were gonna do.
We discussed the lawyer, the law firm, Dunham and Jones,
Uh-huh,
and I told you that they wanted $750,000.
Right.
I talked to them again, it was $2,000, so that could be.
did you talk to some other lawyers then?
I talked to them, but I don't remember the names. They wanted me to pay to talk to them, but I couldn't pay to talk to them at the moment. I ain't have to pay to talk to them.
Right, are you working?
Yeah, I'm working, but
Where are you working?
I'm working at FedEx,
But-
but it's part-time, but
All right, so I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Sparks, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
yes,
You need to fill it out accurately and completely. You're gonna swear under oath that it's all true.
yes,
Step in front of the clerk down there, she'll give you that paperwork.
yes, thank you.
Mr. Walker, you've got a Laura Adams.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm okay, except that I can't hear this morning. I've got just this.
Can't hear you. So it's not bad.
I felt like it just got worse too. It's like it just went, whoosh, you get that sound?
Hearing our voices. Yeah, every time,
Yeah, y'all did it to me.
every time you'd say, I can't hear you, I'd say, do what?
I know.
Yeah, my equilibrium, the whole deal. Where I'll get with the case on Miss Adams, and I think we'll have this resolved pretty quick.
Okay, Ms. Malfino's there.
It's Ms. Malfino. She's not gonna be here this morning. She does have a note that she needed to have a conversation with Judge Walker about working this case out. I think they have an agreement. They just need to kind of hammer it out. Here she comes, Judge.
Good morning, ma'am. You're Laura Adams. Yes. And this is 25 DCCR 0870. Ms. Adams is charged with injury to a child, elderly, or a disabled individual. And it sounds like you need a little time to visit with Ms. Malfino and get this worked out. So I'm going to reset your case, Ms. Adams. Make sure you stay in touch with Mr. Walker. He'll let you know when you need to be back. And you guys can visit about your case before then, okay? You're free to go. And you have Aaron Shetley.
I think he's right outside the door too.
Aaron Shetley.
Also, Daniel Ward.
Yep, I got it. Good morning. Are you Aaron Shetley? And this is 24 DCCR 0776. Mr. Shetley's charged with assault, family violence by impeding breath or circulation. And what is the announcement?
Gonna get Ms. Malfino on that one too. I know it's
Okay.
a little bit older, Judge, but it's the
It is.
same deal where they have been in contact, and I know that this case was originally set a week ago, they got moved a week.
Right.
And so it's another one where they're gonna have a conversation about how to work this out.
So I'll set this one. On this one, just due to the age, this will be the last reset. Make sure you stay in touch with your attorney. He's going to visit with the district attorney, and you need to get an announcement at that next court date.
Okay.
All right,
Thank
thanks. You're free to go, sir. Daniel Ward. Good morning. Are you Daniel Ward?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 25 DCCR 1375. Mr. Ward is charged with driving while intoxicated, third or more. And what is the announcement?
Judge, I think Mr. Nicholson should have this resolved shortly.
Okay.
I'm getting offered to Judge Walker, and we've talked a little bit this morning, but I think we're.
All right. So we'll just do a normal reset in this one. Mr. Ward, make sure you visit with your attorney before the next court date. We'll see if we can get an announcement then, okay? You're free to go. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
See, is there Brent Wasserstein? Mr. Wasserstein? Good morning, sir. Yes, you're here on Guadalupe Reyes. Guadalupe Reyes? How are you, sir?
I'm good, Judge. Nice to be here.
Good morning, sir. You're Guadalupe Reyes, and this is 25 DCCR 1422. Mr. Reyes is charged with aggravated robbery, and what is the announcement?
Judge, Mr. Washington needs to get on, his first time getting on
Okay.
our discovery portal, so
All
I'm
right.
gonna get him instructions on how to do that and get him.
Sure.
There's a lot of discovery in this case, and so I'm gonna get him down the road to
Perfect.
make sure he has access.
All right, so what I'll do is just reset the case about 30 days. That'll give you some time to get all that information downloaded and go over it with your client, and we'll see where we are at the next court date.
That's great.
Stay in touch with your attorney. He'll let you know when you need to be back. You're free to go. Yes, sir. Thank you. See, is Mr. Cole here? Mr. Comerford? See, Mr. Lewis, you've got Janisha Jackson.
We are, my secretary is looking for the file, they think he got this file,
Okay,
so.
I'll hold it for a few minutes. Sure.
Thank you.
And is she here? Okay. All right, you can just have a seat, ma'am. Ms. Norman, you've got David Guillory that's set for a plea. All right, I'll sign that dismissal. Your client's free to go. Everybody's looking over like, what? Everybody's like, where's mine?
We don't hear those much. We don't hear those words.
We don't.
wanted to give us one for the year.
Mr. Rojas, you have Christian